Alrighty, I think I am live. Good morning to all of my tuned in people. This is my first time going live on YouTube, but I plan to share this video on my Facebook page as well so that my Facebook viewers can get this message, this information that I want to share also. Not going to be too long because I do have other things that I have to tend to this morning, so we're going to jump right into it. This week I've been sharing a lot of videos on my Facebook page, just going into cash flow building and credit rebuilding or restoration. And I am currently in the process of rebuilding my own credit and building my cash flow. So I just have to throw this disclaimer out before I share the information that I've been put on. I am not a credit specialist. I am not a tax preparer or specialist. I am just a regular person out here, finding information, valuable information, and turning my financial status around. So I like to share as I go, and hopefully I can inspire someone else to join my team and or just inspire them and open them up to new opportunities that are available to them. So enough about that. Let's jump right into the video. Basically, we're going to talk about opening a home-based business and how it can benefit you in regards to tax deductions. So a little bit about taxes for those who may not already know. Taxes on average cost us about 45% of our earned income. The average person loses about 45% of hard-earned income due to taxes. And you guys may see me look down as I have notes to go by to make sure I'm sharing the right information. So with that being said, a lot of our money, we think that our expenses are from, mortgages, rent, eating out, and all of these other things, entertainment. But what we don't realize is the money that's never being seen. Like as an employee, taxes are automatically deducted. You never really get to see that money, so you don't really know how much money is being taken out of your paychecks on a regular basis, and how much money you can save possibly just by opening up a home-based business. Having a home-based business automatically puts you in a category for over hundreds of tax deductions. And to name a few, things like your mortgage, your rent, utility bills, mileage, cell phone, restaurants, travel, all of these things are eligible for home-based business owners to write off, and will save you a lot of money, if not all of the money that you owe in your taxes, as well as you may be able to see a return come the following year when you go to file your taxes. Most of the people that I know around me get very excited behind tax refunds, including myself. But what we don't realize is a tax refund is what it is. A refund basically means you're being paid back money that has already been taken out or that you've already paid throughout the course of the year. So it's something to be excited about, but it's not really something to be excited about. When you start to look at things in a deeper way and you look at the bigger picture, and you allow the numbers to do the work for you, because one thing I can say is numbers don't lie. You begin to realize that you are being a fool. And I don't say that to, hurt anyone's feelings or anything like that, but it is what it is. The more you know, the better you become. When you go to open up a home-based business, like I've said before, you're able to write those things off, like mortgages, rent, utilities, and things like that. Things you're going to already have to pay for throughout the course of the year anyway, right? So why not be able to, be smart about it and open up a home-based business, and you can write these things off. Now, for the people who are just trying to get over, because this is not a tax invasion type video. I'm not discouraging anyone from owing their debts or paying their taxes. I am just simply trying to put you guys on ways that you can save on the amount of taxes that you owe, and begin to see more of your paycheck and automatically give yourself a pay raise, if that makes sense. So it's not about working harder here, it's about working smarter. You don't have to get a second job for this. You don't have to go borrow money for this. You don't have to downsize your lifestyle or anything like that. Like, those are unattractive ways to bring more money home, right? You can literally bring more money home simply by adjusting your W-4. Over 80% of the American population has their W-4 forms filled out incorrectly. Most employees do not know this, but anytime there's a financial status or shift in your life, or you have children, or anything that can just play a role in your financial life, you have a reason to. That is your reason for adjusting your W-4, because you may be eligible for more tax deductions, or you may be eligible to increase the amount of tax deductions you qualify for. So you want to make it a habit to ensure that you're updating your W-4 like you should be. Like, I know a lady who, I don't know her personally, but there was a store that was used. She hadn't updated her W-4 in years. She ended up getting married. She ended up having children, and on her W-4, she did not have that information. She was filing as single, and she was filing with no dependents. And over the course of years, at the time, she ended up literally losing thousands of dollars because of that. So first step for those employees, I recommend that you revisit your W-4. And if you need assistance with adjusting the W-4 form, I am available to help you with that. What I'm going to do is just leave my email address below and send me an email, and we can get started. Also, if you're interested in opening up a home-based business, let's say you don't currently have one, I also do recommend one. I can recommend one for you. That's relatively easy to get into and inexpensive. So, shoot me an email and we can get started with that as well. And for those who may feel like, well, this is a waste of time, I don't want to track, I don't want to keep up with all that stuff, I have a test for you. Next time you get in your vehicle, I want you to set your trip recorder to 0. Mind you to have a stack of $1 bills somewhere reachable. And every time you drive 2 miles, take one of those dollars out of the stack and throw it out your window. Because that's basically what you're doing when you do not have a home-based business and you're not able to write off mileage. You're basically losing $1 every 2 miles. And on the average American at minimum drives about 5,000 miles a year. So if you do the math, because again, the numbers don't lie, 5 divided by 2 is 2,500. That is $2,500 that you could either retain from your paychecks, or you can have as a tax deduction when it's time to bill you for taxes, or you may be able to see it within your refund, right? And that's minimum mileage. Most max, I think, is like 15K a year. So, and that's per person. But that's something to think about. I know I can use an extra $2,500 in any area of my life yearly. So I'm just dropping y'all, giving y'all a little introduction as to the things that I've been put on. Again, this is all about rebuilding your credit, increasing your cash flow, getting on to financial literacy, and just living a good life, y'all. Because money really is power, and I don't know anyone who got money that can tell me that they enjoyed life better without it. Yes, more money, more problems, but I'll take the problems. Just give me the financial success. I'm ready to be financially free. I no longer want finances to control my life. And by opening up a home-based business is just one of the many ways that you can take back control of in your life and your financial status. So if I have anyone that's watching that's interested in learning more and working with me, shoot me an email. Please, please, please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe. I will be posting more videos like this as time progresses. As I've said before, I am currently restoring my credit, and the results I will post very soon. Your girl is on the roll, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to share this information. So like, subscribe, share, comment, email me if you want more information, if you want to work with me personally. And yeah, we're on the road to living a healthier, wiser, financially free life, the good life, as I like to say. And remember, money talks, but wealthiness whispers. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning in.